As you can see, we have a meter pointing at the cell phone that is sedentary and not active, and it's reading 18.5, which is a very low megahertz reading. The minute we push the cell phone and turn it on and it starts up, you can see it immediately jumped up and it's moving around and fluctuating, and we're calling ourselves in here. As I change the mode and the direction, look what just happened by going up to 5300, 4000, 3000. And as I change direction again, it changes, so it has to do with the directions that the wireless radiation is coming from. However, as we turn it off again, you will see that immediately the numbers start going down again. So now, if we go ahead and start the call again and make the call, the numbers jump up. As we start getting the call, 6,000, 9,000, it fluctuates down now again because of 15. Why? Because we're putting these wireless wave protectors right in front of it. So look what just happened. By putting the protectors, we're getting a signal of 15, 20, 25, 30 or less. As we turn it off to disconnect the call, we then put it back on the situation here, and we can see now that it's fluctuating because the camera that is taking these pictures is actually a cordless phone as well. So now it's receiving double the dose. And once again, if we turn the cell phone on, activate it, go ahead and make the call, we immediately see the megahertz probably jump up again. See 9,000. It went up again real quick, but as we bring the protectors close, look what happens to the megahertz reading, which is 12, 15, 20, 22. And as we take the wireless wave protector away and we put it next to the other cell phone over here that's taking the pictures, look what just happened by it jumping to 700, 500. It's going back and forth, and that's because there is a wireless wave protector on the back of the cell phone already, and there's actually one inside the cell phone, and now it's fluctuated again, gone back down from 1400 to 91 to 60 to 45, pointing it at the cell phone. Whereas if we go ahead and turn the cell phone back on again and we change the mode so it's picking up what's behind it as well, look what just happened. It's picking up the radiation from the cell phone behind, which immediately shot up into the thousands, and now the wireless wave protector is doing its work, and once again, even with the phone behind it, it's still staying at 19, even with the phone in front of it. Yet we change the mode again and we go back to the Z position, which is up here pointing directionally forward. The phone is sedentary again. If we activate it and again turn it on, immediately it jumps up a little bit, but again with the protectors on, it stays very, very low. You try this with a regular cell phone that does not have a protector, and you'll immediately get readings that read in the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. As you can see here, as I'm pulling it away from the cell phone, it's jumping up into the thousands because I'm getting near to the phone behind it. But the minute I put the protectors back on and focus and put it in front, look what just happened. It immediately dropped it back down to 15, 10, 13, and that is showing you that the wireless wave protector is going to protect you from all this radiation.